Yo, 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 welcome to J Penn TV. All right, man, we done hit Cancun, Mexico. Cancun, we here. About to invade the territory. I ain't gonna hold you up all day. Okay, so as you guys can tell, man, we just landed at the airport, man. The scenery is amazing. The people are awesome. Everyone's trying to give us a ride to our destination. But thanks to my lady, we already got those things taken care of, man. We're gonna catch this shuttle and go pick up our rental car. See you in a second. Okay, that's a second, we're back. All right, guys, if you choose to rent a car, please take your time, carefully inspect the vehicle because they will hold you accountable for any damage. As far as the car ride, it was about a 45-minute to an hour trip, light traffic, but the scenery was amazing. Welcome to Xcaret Arte! Man, let me be the first to tell you, man, there is not a bad view on the premises, man. We had our personal concierge. His name was Sergio. Sergio was amazing, very helpful, gave us a personal tour around the whole campus while we was waiting to get checked in into our hotel. This is one of the main pools that looks over the beach. Check out those views, man. I promise you guys, if you book this place and you get a chance to come here, you're gonna thank me later. And you're also gonna thank yourself for having a good time, being able to relax, peace, quiet, wonderful environment. And not to mention the staff. The staff is amazing, man. They have more than enough people there to take care of each and every one of their needs. To me, it's like the Chick-fil-A of resorts. I would recommend this to anybody. Hey guys, we made it to our destination. We haven't checked in, but as you can see, we're already eating. This is my second plate, so don't judge me on the pizza. You know, I just wanted to fill it up. But the first location is, honey, what's the name of this place?
Xcaret Arte.
Xcaret Arte. Say it with me. Xcaret.
No. Xcaret
Xcaret
Arte.
Arte. Look it up. Google it. But check out the wonderful views, man, as we sit down and enjoy a little lunch before we go to our room and get settled in, man. It's a wonderful environment. I already feel like I'm in heaven, man. And then they had the nerve to tell me when I got here, they said, welcome home. I said, what? They said, welcome home. Don't tell me like that. Welcome home. I moved here for real. But you guys stay tuned, man. It's gonna be tons of fun. We'll be back. Check out with you guys a little bit later, man. Yo, what's up, man? We done made it to the room, to the destination, man. We're gonna give you guys a big reveal. We haven't been in, we haven't seen anything. We're just gonna enjoy this all together. So you guys can leave in the comment section what you think about this wonderful place. I'm assuming it's wonderful with all the wonderful views we've seen thus far, so let's go check it out.
Quick disclaimer, I requested a king. There's only queens, doubles available right now, so otherwise, let's go find out.
Do it.
So a great feature about this resort is you don't have to worry about losing your key card for the door. This bracelet activates your photos, your room, you can make charges, anything you want to do, you just swipe your band.
Easy to spend all your money. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I don't normally take bath, but hey, I'm gonna take one a day.
This is pretty.
This is amazing. What do you guys think, man? Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, man. We are experiencing this together, guys. You have walked in with us. We're gonna go back in that bathroom. I see some things I missed. Check it out. We've only been here for maybe 2 hours, and I can already tell you, this is my best vacation ever, man. This place is amazing, man. Don't take my word for it.
So guys, one of the main reasons I picked this room, it is a river suite, is because of the location. As the name signifies, it is on a river. Some rooms face the ocean, but we'll be at other resorts that have ocean views. Some face the jungle. I particularly want it to be by the water. So let's go check it out.
All right, all right. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Look at God. Look at God. Oh, we got fish right here. We can go fishing straight from the dock. Hola. Man, as you guys can see, man, this bad boy is amazing. I love it, man. You did a great job picking out this room.
Planning the whole trip.
This is my personal travel agent. All right, guys, as you guys can see, man, we have made it to the room, man, and we've got a chance to show you guys all around, man. Now it's time for us to take a break from you guys and have some fun and see what this place has to offer, man. Stay tuned, we got more to come. Thank you guys for joining us today on our vacation extravaganza. Wow, man, oh my goodness, man. This is such a great place and a great environment, man, to spend a week away from home, man. Just taking it all in, man. Oh my goodness, look at this place. And this is just our room. This Riverside room is nothing short of amazing. Take a look for yourself. Words can't describe the feeling that you get when you walk out into this beautiful oasis. Okay, bring it back, come on in. I got more things to show you before we leave our room and show you the rest of the resort.
Right now? Just jump in just to get comfortable. Just a cracking or just to feel the water, be comfortable with the depth.
How deep is it?
You said 20 feet.
20 feet? 19.7. 20 feet. You're gonna take on this massive jump, bro.
So you don't have to film this one or nothing. This is a practice. I don't want no life jacket in there.
Oh, you don't want to look soft?
No.
Or you want to look tough? You don't want to look good? You don't want to do it with the...
No.
With the my baby want to be so tough. I'm gonna do a safety check.
What's a safety check? That's a pat down. That's not no safety check. Okay, go ahead. Jumping right off the balcony, eh? It came open? I'm taking it off. Oh, you a big girl now. You know I can't save you in 20 feet. She ready. She ready. Looks like the queen has made it to the other side. Hey, listen, if you guys happen to be water lovers, you just love the sound of water, the vibe, the feel, this Riverside Suite is for you. They got hammocks everywhere. The sound of that river is just so calming, so relaxing. Takes your mind off anything that you could possibly be worried or thinking about, man. They really outdone themselves with the design and the layout of this resort. I see you over there, beautiful. What are you doing, baby? Don't jump in. No! Okay, guys, while she's floating in the water, I'm going to take you up and away so you can see
how beautiful this resort is. All right, guys, this view is right over the main lobby. As you can see, man, there's no shortage of pools anywhere. As we pass right over this nice rooftop pool, transitioning into the main pool that looks out over the beach. The resort is so nice, clean, well manicured. Everything looks like it was just placed there today, man. They do such an amazing job keeping this place looking spectacular. Look at the water out there, guys. Check out the different shades of blue and the wonderful beach. Got another rooftop pool right here on your right-hand side, another one right there on the bottom. Man, I'm telling you guys, if you ever get the chance to come here, please, 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 if you don't do it for yourself, do it for me. And make sure you tag me on Facebook and Instagram. My links are in the description. Got to transition to a nighttime view, man. Let you guys see how the campus looks at nighttime. Just such a beautiful place, man. I know you guys are tired of me talking about how wonderful and nice this place is. So tomorrow, man, I'm gonna have an opportunity to show you guys a little bit more of the facilities, and I'm gonna take you with me as we do our excursions. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you can keep up with all of our upcoming travel vlogs. If you haven't already, go down to the travel vlog playlist on JPenn TV. Check out some of our past trips from Jamaica to Costa Rica, you name it. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time. We appreciate every one of you who hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, as it helps us to grow the channel and to keep providing you with great content. Can't wait to see you on the next video, guys. One love.